friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. So today we are going to make this part with the help of this sketch, and this is our exercise number 13. If you have any doubts, then please comment on the video, and please like and share, and please subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start. So firstly we draw this portion, and this is our second portion, this is third, and this one is fourth. Okay, so let's take a plane, normal to, and draw a sketch. Okay, now dimension, smart dimension, this is our 10 millimeter, this distance is 40, this one also 10. Okay, now the height, this height is 28 millimeter, and this portion is 14. Okay, now go to finish sketch and feature extrude. Click on this portion and select direction, and this one is 60 plus 68 minus 8 means 120 millimeter, and okay. Now we are going to make this portion. We have to take a plane 60, and this one is 8, so 52 millimeter. Okay, click on this face and take a plane, left direction, and 52 millimeter. Okay, go to plane and normal to. Now draw a sketch. Let's draw two circles, and now dimension, this circle is 32 millimeter, and the second one is 60 millimeter. Okay, now we have to fix the height. This height is 28, 60 from this portion, 60 plus 28 is 88. Okay, and from here is 30. Click OK, and now feature and extrude, flip direction, and distance is 68 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, now hide this plane. Now we have to make this rib. Okay, now select this face and take a plane again for make this rib. This distance is 8 millimeter, and flip the direction, and OK. Now go to sketch and select the plane, and now convert entities. We are going to make this circle use as convert entities. Click on this circle and OK. So you can see our circle is automatically shifted to our plane. Okay, now go to this plane and normal to, and now make a sketch. Simply draw a line here, and line. Okay, and now we are going to trim, and now click this sketch, select the feature and extrude, flip the direction, and the distance is 8 millimeter. Okay, and from here also 8 millimeter. So 68 minus 16. Okay, 68 minus 16, 52 millimeter, 52 millimeter, and okay. So our rib is complete, but we have to make this rib as a separate. So going again and edit feature and untick the merge result. Okay, now hide this plane. Okay, now we are going to make this portion. So go to top plane, and we have to take a plane from 16 millimeter from top plane. Go to there and plane. Distance is 16 millimeter, and okay. Now go to plane 4 and normal to. Okay. Now go to sketch and draw a sketch. Let's take from here also. Okay. Now dimension. Let's take this dimension first. This is 32 millimeter, and this length is 50 and 16. Okay, this will be 66. Okay, extrude. Feature and extrude, and extrude will be 12 millimeter, and okay. Okay, we have to change this again from margin, and okay. Now we have to make fillet on this portion. It will be 16 millimeter. This edge and this edge, and okay. Okay, now we have to make these circles. Go to this face and normal tool. Take extrude first and draw two circles. Now dimension, this is 32. Okay, and this one is 16. Okay, this is sketch and extrude it. 24 means 12 millimeter, and okay. So this portion is complete. Now we are going to make this rib. Okay, so we have to take a plane from 12 millimeter from inside, from this face. Click on this face and take a plane, flip direction, distance is 12 millimeter, and okay. Now go to rib and draw a sketch. Firstly we have to make this plane as normal to, and now draw a line from this point to this point. Okay, and now go to finish sketch. Now go to rib, click on this sketch, and dimension is 8 millimeter. One side rib, select bodies, and okay. So this is our rib. Now we have to make this circle from this face, hide the plane 4 and plane 5 also. Okay, go to this face and normal 2, take extrude cut first and draw a circle. Okay, now dimension, center is 24 and the diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay, on this edge dimension is 30. Okay, finish sketch, extrude cut already, simply drag and okay. So our exercise is complete. If you have any doubts, then please comment and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.